Molly, I have a question.
Well, I'm a little busy, so what's your question?
We have a science project to complete and we need help.
I might be able to help you if you give me a little more information on your project.
Today we learned about trees and how they help us breathe. We also learned about the science of plants. Yeah, and he was told to write a story on it, but we were a little confused. Remember it's called photosynthesis and it was called
Oxygen, that's the air that helps us breathe. So tell me everything you know about photosynthesis and I'll help you with the other topics.
Okay, so photosynthesis is a process in which sunlight energy is used to make glucose,
Which is
sugar. Yes. Anyways, photosynthesis begins in the chloroplast and organelles found in the leaves of green plants. The main function of chloroplast are to produce food during the time of photosynthesis and to store food energy.
okay, Sally, wait. I'm going to have Lily tell me the rest of what she knows.
Well, there are certain reactants in photosynthesis which are CO2, water, and sunlight. The process made by of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. The glucose made is food for the plants and it helps energy growth.
You both are absolutely correct. The oxygen made was only an enzyme that keeps us alive. The equation for this is CO2 plus H2O plus sunlight equals 12,626 plus O2.
That's a lot of numbers and letters. I guess we know all about photosynthesis, but I'm still confused about cells and organelles.
Yes, I know a lot about those. First, let's begin with cells. A cell is basically the building block of life. A cell is formed by another cell. Cells are in every living thing.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, and if we look inside a plant cell, we see many parts that make up a plant cell. Plant cell is just a eukaryotic cell that are a little different than other organisms. First is the outer end of the cell, which is the cell wall. The cell wall provides and maintains the shape of the cell and protects it.
Isn't it the chloroplast inside the cell and that what gives plants a green color, right? It's also what I was talking about before. The leaves absorb energy from sunlight. Inside the chloroplast is a sclerosis, which is the supportive tissue, but within the cell are thylakoids, where the light reactions of photosynthesis occur. They appear as specks of gold.
All correct. This is also the very obvious nucleus. The nucleus is a very important organelle because it contains the DNA responsible for providing the cell with its normal characteristics. But let's not forget the mitochondria.
Is that also the organelle? Is it very important too?
Yes, it is an organelle, and very important also. They are the cells of bacteria that are the power centers of a cell.
You still didn't tell us what is organelle is.
I was hoping you would have figured it out by now.
Actually, I think I know what it is. It's an organized or specialized structure within a living cell.
It's just did you remember how the plants are able to stay alive? How the cells don't die away?
The
glucose stabilizes the lactase and photosynthesis compound. Using the sun and water is available in the carbon dioxide. CO2 is a product of cellular respiration. It is basically the opposite of photosynthesis. Cellular respiration is the chemical process that turns sugar into a form that is not as energy. So the practice of cellular respiration would glucose and oxygen. The CO2 H2O and is correct. It also makes ATP. ATP is a molecule found in the jungle of plant amino cells. ATP equals energy. It is the major energy source of cellular respiration. We really learned a lot today with how this information. At least now, we are able to finish our project.